Imagine a world where high performance meets affordability in the realm of technology. This is the reality with the Avita Liber laptop, a powerhouse of efficiency, encapsulated in a sleek design, all without breaking the bank. The Avita Liber laptop is a game changer, offering features usually reserved for higher-priced models. It's a beacon in the stormy sea of overpriced technology, proving that excellence need not come with an exorbitant price tag. At the heart of this laptop is a robust Intel Core i5 processor. This powerful engine ensures smooth multitasking, quick response times, and seamless performance. Whether you're crunching numbers, streaming your favorite show, or navigating the web, the Avita Liber laptop handles it all with effortless grace. Complementing the powerful processor is an ample 8 GB of RAM. This ensures that graphics run smoothly, applications load quickly, and multitasking remains a breeze. Your productivity is set to soar with the Avita Liber laptop. Storage will never be a concern with a generous 256 GB of hard disk space. This ample storage, coupled with the pre-installed Windows 10 Home operating system, ensures that you have enough space for all your files, applications, and even some room left for entertainment. One of the standout features of the Avita Liber laptop is its backlit keyboard. This thoughtful addition allows you to continue your work into the night without straining your eyes. This laptop doesn't just match your pace, it sets the pace. The Avita Liber laptop stands tall as a testament to the fact that superior performance and affordability can coexist. It's a perfect blend of power and price, making it an excellent choice for daily tasks and general work. In conclusion, the Avita Liber laptop is a high-performance machine that doesn't compromise on affordability. It offers a powerful i5 processor, ample RAM for smooth graphics, ample storage with a pre-installed OS, and a backlit keyboard for those late-night work sessions. The Avita Liber laptop is proof that you don't need to empty your wallet for quality. It's the perfect blend of style, performance, and affordability. This is the Avita Liber laptop, a game changer in the realm of affordable high-performance technology.